Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SAP Datasphere for data modeling step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for SAP Datasphere. Press enter to navigate to the SAP Datasphere login page. On the login page, locate the username field. Enter your SAP user ID in the designated field. Next, find the password field. Carefully type your password associated with your SAP account. If your organization uses single sign-on, look for the SSO option. Click on the SSO button to proceed with your corporate credentials. Confirm that the information entered is correct. Now, click on the Login button. Wait for the system to authenticate your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the SAP Datasphere homepage. Navigate to the Data Modeling section from the dashboard. Here, you can begin creating or managing your data models. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. Start by selecting the model type you wish to create. Follow the prompts to input necessary data and settings. You are now ready to begin your data modeling journey in SAP Datasphere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.